What is the first one, Ayaansh?
This.
Yeah, what is it called? What is it called? It takes patience, but what is it called? That's the sound. Is it an ambulance?
Yes.
It's an ambulance. It takes patience. Where does it take the patient to?
A hospital.
Yes. What is the second one?
Fire truck.
Fire truck. Can you show us how this fire truck looks like?
It's a car.
Wow, it has a car there as well. Wow. Can you show us the other cars? Wow, it has so many cars.
Here comes the dog truck. We come to more ambulance.
Yeah, that's another ambulance, small ambulance. Wow, that's another fire truck. Oh, looks like it has some more. Wow, that's a small red fire truck car. What is that?
Truck.
Yes. Yes. Another Jeep. What's that?
More fire truck. Here comes more fire truck. Here comes more fire truck.
Wow, so many. Can you arrange all of them?
Yes.
Let's do it fast. Yes, you got it. Wow, let's see. Wow,
More.
look at that. This is amazing. Let's go to the next fire truck.
Let's go.
Wow, is that another fire truck? Can you show what sound does this fire truck make? Wow, who's sitting inside that?
Yes. Fireman.
Can you show us the fireman?
Yes.
Wow, are they wearing their hats?
Yes. He's coming.
Wow.
There's a fire.
Yes, they go when there is a fire. They help get rid of the fire. What's that?
It's a risk.
Extinguisher, fire extinguisher, yes. Can you show me what is that third one? Is that a bus?
And he's coming.
What is that? Is that a school bus?
I love making new friends.
Wow. Wow. What's the next one? What is it called?
I don't know.
It's a concrete mixer. What's this?
It's a dog truck.
Wow. Wow, that's nice. What's the next one?
He's coming.
What's this?
A monster truck.
Wow, that's huge. Uh-oh, no. You can't do that. What's the next one?
I know. Viva.
Is that a police car?
Yes.
That's nice. What's the next one?
I don't know.
Yeah, that looks like a racing car to me. What's the next one?
Here's a more fire truck.
Yeah, it's a fire truck. And what's that?
Police car.
No, that's not a police car. Looks like a loader truck to me, forklift truck.
That's a pretty car.
Can you show me that fire truck again? Is that a transformer fire truck?
Okay.
Wow! That's a robot. It's amazing. Can we have the police car and the racing car? Wow. We can do a small race.
1, 2, 3, ready, steady, go!